Ever heard of Novo? Decoding the bank behind the fintech. Intro. Upbeat, royalty-free music. Have you ever dreamt of ditching the traditional bank and diving headfirst into the world of sleek fintech apps? Maybe you've stumbled upon Novo while researching online banking options. But here's the thing, when it comes to Novo, there's a bit of a mystery surrounding the actual bank it partners with. Intrigued? We sure are. So, buckle up because in today's video, we're cracking the code and revealing the bank name behind Novo. But that's not all. We'll also be diving deep into what Novo offers, how it compares to traditional banks, and ultimately, whether it's the perfect fit for your financial needs. Music fades. The big question, what bank is behind Novo? Let's address the elephant in the room. Who is the actual bank partnering with Novo? Unlike some other challenger banks, Novo doesn't wear its partner bank on its sleeve. We scoured the internet, read through endless terms and conditions, and even contacted Novo's customer support, who were fantastic, by the way, but there's no official mention of the partnering bank. Here's the thing, it's not uncommon for fintech companies to partner with established banks. These partnerships allow fintechs to offer an array of banking features, like debit cards and checking accounts, without the heavy burden of becoming a fully licensed bank themselves. It's a win-win situation. Novo likely leverages this partnership model, but maintains confidentiality about the specific bank for reasons we can only speculate on. So, why all the secrecy? There could be a few reasons why Novo keeps its partner bank under wraps. Perhaps they want to cultivate their own unique brand identity, separate from the traditional banking establishment. Maybe it's a strategic move to avoid comparisons with other fintechs who might disclose their partner banks. Or, it's simply a business decision. Novo might have negotiated a confidentiality agreement with their partner bank. Whatever the reason, the lack of transparency shouldn't necessarily deter you. Financial institutions, especially established banks, are heavily regulated and FDIC insured, meaning your money is protected in case of a bank failure. That said, it's always a good idea to do your own research on any bank, whether it's a traditional one or Novo's hidden partner. Novo, unveiling the features. Now that we've, sort of, addressed the bank mystery, let's delve into what Novo actually offers. Here are some of the key features that might make you consider switching to their app-based banking system. Free checking account. Novo boasts a free checking account with no monthly fees. That's a major perk compared to traditional banks that often have minimum balance requirements or charge monthly service fees. Mobile-first design. Novo is all about convenience. Their mobile app is where it's at, allowing you to manage your finances, deposit checks, and send/receive money, all from the palm of your hand. Debit card with fee rebates. Novo offers a debit card with built-in budgeting tools. Plus, they reimburse ATM fees charged by other banks, making it easier to access your cash without hidden costs. Integrations and automation ***. Looking to streamline your finances? Novo integrates with popular budgeting and accounting tools, and even allows for automated bill pay and savings features. Novo versus traditional banks, weighing the pros and cons. While Novo offers a compelling package, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making the switch. Here's a quick breakdown. Pros of Novo. Free checking account with no hidden fees. Mobile-centric platform for easy management. Integrations with budgeting and accounting tools. Potential for fee rebates on ATM withdrawals. Cons of Novo. Limited physical branch network, since it relies on a partner bank. May not offer all the features of a traditional bank, like investment options or safety deposit boxes. Relies heavily on technology. Any downtime could disrupt access to your funds. The verdict, is Novo right for you? Ultimately, the decision of whether to switch to Novo depends on your individual needs. If you're a tech-savvy individual who prioritizes convenience and fee-free banking, Novo could be a great option. However, if you value the security of a physical branch network or require a wider range of banking features, a traditional bank might be a better fit.